It's going to be a premium knife. This one's going to be dropping here very, very soon. We're going to talk about details in a moment. And bam, here it is. A little sneak peek at what we're looking at. This is the new upcoming Zander knife from Vosteed. Let's go ahead and dig in here. It is going to be available this June 23rd at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely safe. Bookmark the link in the description and pin comment so you guys can not miss out when it drops. We're going to break it down here. We got a wiping cloth. We have a catalog here, right? Some paperwork with some models and things like that from their lineup. We have content on all their models here in the channel. If you put the model name Miguel EDC, you'll find those videos right away. Business card and a raccoon sticker as well. We got the Vosteed fabric pouch here with the Velcro logo in the front. And I'm excited for this one because this one is the new member of the V Anchor Lock family. Check it out. First impressions, we're dealing with a large knife, right? We looked at some smaller knives here and there so far in the video, but this one is the biggest one so far. And man, oh man, this is good looking, right? This is the kind of stuff that really gets you excited. Of course, rocking the V Anchor Lock, pivot-oriented locking system, very strong, but also very fidget friendly, as you'll see in a moment. We got a variety of different deployment methods: back flipper, front flipper, thumb studs, opening hole. I mean, the whole kitchen sink and everything just thrown at it for deployment options. So I'm here for that. We are looking at aluminum handles here with a nice micro milling going on there in the sort of cross pattern. Kind of wish they carry that over to the non-show side. It's a little bit of a miss there. You know, me personally, for my taste, if they carry that on the other side, I don't see why they wouldn't want to do that. But it certainly looks good, I'll tell you what. Let's go ahead and get it deployed here. If you're ready, I'm ready. Thumb stud deployment for the win. Bam. Oh man, check out this blade, ladies and gentlemen. We have a drop point blade with a flat grind satin finish on this one. There are multiple variants with other finishes. Blacked out is one of them. This Zander is a Colonel Kiss collaboration. You can see the logo right there. We got the Vosteed branding and then just a steel on the other side. So not too heavy, not too light on the billboarding department, just the usual stuff we normally see. They have revised the V anchor lock, so it has a wider diameter. We saw that on a Chilean cutter recently. So yeah, look at that. It actually opens and closes really, really smooth. Back flipper, nice. We can light switch it. We can, yeah, let's not push button it. Push button it is not the way to go. So light switch all day. Front flipper, oh yeah, that is nice. Good stuff right there with the front flipper. Good jimping. It actually goes a little bit around the corner there. Get you a closer look. So far, those two deployment methods are solid. I like what they did here with the thumb studs, right? Something similar to what they've been doing with the Slim series, right? Adding a little touch of color to the pivot area. That also matches the aluminum back spacer. There's your lanyard post back there for my lanyard people, by the way. I do like that little pop of color, right? With the light blue looking aluminum, kind of like a bluish grayish looking. And then the nice little pop of blue there actually looks nice. Thumb stud deployment is good. Reverse flick using the thumb stud and the meat of the middle finger. That's good. Of course, we got an actual opening hole there. Pill shape opening hole. So you know that's good. Oh man. They have been dropping some really good fire knives so far on their premium category. We'll check them out here in a second, but the Xeno, the Thunderbeast, and now this one here are absolute money here. Money! Full 4-finger grip, right on the standard hammer grip. I can forward choke, very similar to like a Vosteed Raccoon 2.0 style, little finger choil area, if you would, with some jimping on it. I dig that. We have some jimping on the blade as well. The blade kind of goes a little bit up, Nesmuk style, but not quite, and then drops like a drop point blade. So good belly for tabletop cutting. That's good, and good slicer, without a doubt. It's going to be a very capable knife. We do have quite the reach with this one. As far as measurements here, overall length around almost 8 1/4, like 8.2. We have 3.5 inches on the blade with just around 3 1/4, like 3.3 inches on the cutting path. And the handle length is going to be around 4.85-ish, 4.85 inches, somewhere on that ballpark. Some good milling on the recess liners here for weight reduction. Some speed holes, even some milling on the titanium portion as well. So there's both milling on the titanium and those steel liners, as you can see. Regardless, it's going to be a premium larger knife. The aluminum is going to help in the weight department, but you're still going to get a good solid premium knife weight. I'm going to say close to 4 ounces, right? 4.5 ounces-ish, 4 to 4.5. All right, look at that, very close, 4.6 ounces or 131 grams. For what it is, a large knife with aluminum and whatnot, I am here for it. That is a good weight for me. Sign me up. Let's do some quick rapid fire size comparisons just to give you a ballpark. Again, in the V anchor lock family, we looked at the Xeno earlier this year, 2026, and at the ending of 2025, we looked at the Thunderbeast. Now, I'm not sure if you're into collecting Vosteed knives or not, but those are other choices. These two are also pretty solid, highly recommendable. They've been in the market for a little bit of time now. They're sold out in some places, are still available in certain places depending on where you look. I'll try to link them down below if you're interested. But yeah, this new Zander here is absolutely taking the cake on the spotlight. For sure, large knife, very capable. Again, dropping here very, very soon. June 23rd at 8 a.m. guys. That is going to be next week. Absolutely set your alarms and bookmark the link below if you're interested. I can tell you these are going to be an absolute hit. Very capable. I mean, the likes of very capable, even USA made knives, but made overseas and a little bit more affordable than a lot of USA made knives for that matter. Definitely one to consider if you're in the market for your next EDC knife premium folder. Absolutely a great contender, and I'm here for it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Again, many variants are available. You have a variety of different blade finishes. You have a variety of different handle materials. So you definitely have quite a bit to choose from.